Olivia! What is happening? Why is the Secret Service in our front yard?
I don't know. We haven't done anything.
FBI!
Hello, Ethan.
Hello, Olivia. It has been a long time.
Arthur, you little brat. How dare you bring the police to my house?
It is not your house anymore, Olivia. By executive order, this property has been seized.
Arthur, you're the leader of Kidsland?
You told me never to come back until I learned how to behave. Well, I have learned. I learned that in this world, injustice must be answered with justice.
Every story has a beginning. Arthur's story began with a bowl of rice and a cold heart.
Arthur, why are you still sitting there? The laundry is piling up. Those shirts won't wash themselves. Hurry up!
But Olivia, I am still hungry. Can I have just one pancake?
Pancakes are for winners. Mia is a superstar gymnast. She needs the energy. You are just a burden. Eat your rice and get to work.
Arthur, stop arguing. Do what your mother says.
I am trying to work.
Here you go, Barnaby. Good dogs deserve the best meat.
That was the day I learned my first word. Mom, Dad! Arthur broke the vase.
My Italian vase. It is ruined.
No! I was in the laundry room. I didn't touch it. Mia, why are you lying?
Silence, Arthur. I cannot endure this anymore. You are a destructive, ungrateful brat.
I am tired of the drama. Pack your backpack, Arthur. You are leaving this house.
Dad, please. It's raining outside. I'm only 7 years old.
Don't come back until you learn how to behave.
Arthur had nothing but his backpack and a broken heart. He walked until his feet were sore.
It's okay, buddy. They didn't want us because we weren't perfect. But we will find a place where everyone is treated fairly.
Secure the area.
Brings the case.
Kid, are you all right?
You saved my dog. You are a hero, young man.
Where are your parents? I don't have a family anymore. They kicked me out because I wasn't good enough.
In Kidsland, everyone is good enough. You have a heart of gold. Come with me. For months, Arthur lived in the first family of Kidsland. He learned that a true leader protects the smallest voices.
It's okay. Don't worry, we're here to help. Everything is going to be all right now.
One day, the old president called him into the Oval Office.
Come in, Arthur. Please, come closer.
Arthur, I am tired. I have seen your soul. You know what it feels like to be invisible.
What are you saying, sir?
It means I trust you, Arthur. Everything will be all right.
Me? I am just a boy.
A boy who knows.
Justice.
Take charge. Change the world.
Thank you all. Today marks a new chapter for Kidsland. where every voice will be heard. My first executive order: Pizza Fridays for every school in the nation. But now we speak of the law. No parent is allowed to ignore or abuse their child. From this day on, I want to build a world where every child is happy. Do you believe in fairness like I do? I want to know if you are on my team. If you like this video, comment 1. If not, hit the like button.
Arthur, honey, we were so wrong. We love you so much. Please tell them to stop. Arthur, son.
Weenie son, we can be a family again. We will give you roast beef every night.
You don't love me. You love my power. You had your chance to be a family, and you chose Avast over your son. Arthur, I'm sorry. I lied about everything. Please don't arrest me. Everyone deserves a second chance, Mia. Injustice ends with punishment, but a future begins with forgiveness. Today, I am declaring Family Forgiveness Day. You don't have to be a liar anymore. You just have to be my sister. Come on, Mia. Last one there is a rotten egg.
Hey, no fair. You got a head start.
And so, the word injustice was deleted from the dictionary. Arthur proved that your past does not define your future.
See? If we work together, the drawing becomes even better. Great job, everyone! Happy birthday, Kids Land! Bethel-san!
Olivia! What is happening? Why is the Secret Service in our front yard? FBI! Get down on the ground now. Hands where we can see them.